say feeling ko, it will really never disappoint.
Siguro cherish every moment na ayun, time sa family mo. Kasi dahil sa work natin talaga sobrang hectic na rin. Yun lang, talagang time is a very
Namamayagpag ang kanilang mga career. Yung ng dalawa, ang anumang umuusbong.
Was time an issue, kaya yung mga inuhot yung mag-progress ay hindi
Malak ya balon?
If you had more time,
Yan ang...
If a day would have 34 hours, probably.
kasi
Ah,
kung may babalikan kayo this year na pwede niyong baguhin,
ah.
Because this year is really a blessing. So, parang hirap na sabihin na sana may ganito, sana may ganito. What I can do siguro is for 2013.
ang hirap ng buhay na year na ito dahil sobrang blessed namin ng bawat isa. Everything happens for a reason and God has plans. Pero writer, sa movie, yung buhay natin sinusulat ni God. So, siguro, doon pa lang sa chapter, wala ko sa
I have.
Yan, ano mo?
Where are you both at?
We're at the position